Hi everyone, this is Hannah here. This video is a little bit overdue. We are going to be unboxing my Graphic 45 haul. Mostly what I bought was the Lost in Paradise collection. That's the new summer collection out. And then I also did get some other things as well that I will be putting into the July box. I do have the paper collection listed for sale, each item separately on my website at danagirlsdesigns.com, and I'll have that link below. And I also will be listing these on eBay and Etsy shortly. So anyway, we'll go ahead and dive on in. The first thing that I bought was these packs of flowers. Let me see, I might just need to back it up a little bit. It seems like I'm really close. Okay, so I bought these flowers. I think they're really nice. Most of the flowers that I use are Prima flowers. Those are by far my favorite. With these, looking at them, you can tell that they are made from mulberry paper. They got some cute little leaves and got the little stems, little curly thing. So these are some really nice flowers, that I will be incorporating into some kits. Also what I bought, and these are really neat, and I think these have been out a while, but this is the first that I've bought of them. So you get each pack of, this is the red policy envelopes. And so you get 6 of them. There's 2 of each design. We'll just kind of open it up and take a little peek. Alright, so you've got 2 of these. These have the numbers. And then on the back, it has vintage and the definition. And then you can write the stuff. So that's really neat. I like these. And then here's the inside of it. So you get 2 of those. You get 2 of these cute polka dot ones. I like this. And then this one has unique. It has that on it. So that's really neat. I like that. And then these have the alphabets on both sides. And then it has create, the definition. And then it has that. So that's really neat. I like those. So that is the red ones. And I can already see myself coming up with some junk journal kits very soon, including these policy envelopes. These are really neat. Okay, so these are the black policy envelopes. So let's take a look and see if these are about the same. Alright, so these are the 2 alphabets, and then it has vintage. Is that the same? Okay, on the red one it had create, so okay. And then this one is the polka dot, and it has timeless, so that's a different word and definition there. I'm just now getting my voice back. Then it's got the numbers here, and it's got remember. I like that. Just now getting my voice back over the last weekend. I came down with a sinus infection, and so a couple days there it was really hard for me to talk, and then I sounded so, I don't know, grovelly, so I didn't want to do the video. So I have more of my voice back now, but I feel like I'm talking so loud because the sinus is backed up in my ears, and I just feel like I'm in a tunnel. But it will get better soon. Alright, so these are some antique metal door pulls. These are so neat. I had run out of the Tim Holtz little frames that you put like a title in or something. A lot of people put them on the spine of their scrapbook albums. So I thought, well, I'm buying the Lost in Paradise collection. I'll see what Graphic 45 has. And they have some really neat stuff. So these are items that I will be including in my monthly boxes starting for July. These are going to be really neat. So these are little door pulls. You get 2 of these in that. And then these are metal door plates and knobs. These are cute. And the knobs are brads. And then you have these little tiny brads that you put into the spaces on each of the keyhole or door plate. So these are really neat. And then I also got some of these. Now I actually did include these in the in the June boxes for the scrapbook in a box and the mixed media box. I did. So I did already, because I got these right after I started shipping out. The June boxes is when I got my Graphic 45 haul in the mail, and I was like, oh man. So, but at least I've got it early, and I'll go ahead and start putting together the July box early. So that's good. At least I'll be prepared, you know, better, you know, earlier in the month. Because sometimes when these new, you know, collections come out, they come out at weird times, and then trying to schedule around the months, you know, when you're going to do it, it's kind of hard. Okay, so here we go. We're in the Lost in Paradise collection. This is the Ephemera Cards. So let's open these up and take a little look. Okay, let's see here. Alright, so, okay, and you get 2 of each. I love these. This collection is going to be so fun. And I like that. Okay. And then you got these. These are the little 3x4 cards. And that's on the back. These are just going to be great. And these can be used for so much. I mean, you know, for your scrapbook albums, layouts, card making, you know, Happy Mail, junk journal, of course. I definitely thought of junk journal with all of this. Welcome to the Jungle. I like that. And I like that about Graphic 45's paper, that it has that vintage feel to it, so it makes it perfect, you know, like with junk journals. You know, junk journal is something that's been around for a very long time. You know, Midori journals, they've been around for a very long time, actually. And so, you know, the first thing that you think of is, you know, like old and vintage when you're doing your, like making your junk journal. And so see, this has that vintage flair to it, which I really, really like. So definitely going to be including these in the July junk journal. This will be, this paper will be the theme for the junk journal, and probably all of the boxes, but for sure I know the junk journal, scrapbook box, and most likely the mixed media box as well. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So, okay, so that was the Ephemera. They call it journaling and ephemera cards just because it's kind of 2 in 1, which is really neat. Okay, so the next thing here, alright, what is this? These are the stickers. Now this, well, these are not double-sided, so I can go ahead and show you. These are the stickers. We'll just do like a little scan here. And then you have it on the other side too. Trying to get it to where it won't have a glare on it. Okay, so those are the stickers. Okay, this is the chipboard. I love the chipboard pieces. I love that. Okay, and that's all that there is on the chipboard. I think the chipboard used to have more to it, but it was more expensive, I think. But really, you know, with all that you get with this here is the tags and pockets cardstock die cuts. So you get this sheet, and see, they have it already scored where you can fold and do your little envelopes. So that's really neat, or or your little pockets, I guess. Alright, now I think that was it. I think. Ephemera, stickers, chipboard, die cuts. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. Okay, we're going to go through the collection pack so you can see that. Alright. So this is the cover. And they do still have that I really like this, where you can cut these out and use them as templates for gift tags. These are some little rounded square tags, and then 4x6 templates. So that is really neat. I do like how they have that. Okay, and then this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And you get 2 of those sheets, and then this is the back. I love it. I love these colors. So fun. Okay, and then here's the other sheet. Beautiful. And then here's the back side of that. See if I move some of this stuff out of the way. So maybe I can get a little bit better. Alright, here we go. Maybe this, yeah, this will work better. Okay, so you get 2 of those. Alright. You get these. I love these papers because I love to cut out everything. You know, and then the little stamps. And I use those and I pop them up on chipboard. Those are really neat. And then the pineapple. And then this one's really neat. Okay, and then here's the back of that one. I like that. It's just so bright and fun. I just love the colors. I love the style of it. So here's this one. And then here's the back of it. This one's like a little bit darker green. Has some leaves on there. And kind of like encyclopedia. It's like in French. Looks like French. Alright. It's pretty. And then here's the back. Okay, and then here's this here. I like these too. Get 2 of those. And then here's this. And 2 of those, and that is it. And then they have the stickers, you know, which you can buy these separately, but these do come in the collection pack. So that is really nice. And then also we have the patterns and solids. So let me take a look here, see if I can get it open. They don't make these as easy to get open because they have the tape over them, you know. So I'm going to try to get it off without tearing the paper pad. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open this up. And then this has the same template as what's on the collection pack, so that's neat. And I love these designs on here. And then this is just a solid color. Here's another design. I like this, and it coordinates so well. And that's a solid color, so well with the collection pack. I like that page. And then just plain color. And then here's stripes. And then just the plain yellow. And I like how they do have the solids, because sometimes you don't want too many patterns, just pattern upon pattern upon pattern. Okay. And then there's this other pattern. And I think in the, I think it's like 2 of kind of each color themed. Like you've got 2 of your patterns in the blues, and then solids. See, here's your second blue pattern, and then your blue solids. So I think that's how they have it with each of the colors: the green, yellow, kind of orange color. So that's pretty neat there. So that is my Graphic 45 haul. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know. And when I do get the July boxes put together, I will be doing a video on that, just kind of doing an overview. And then I'll have links to my stores in the description box below, so you can go check these out and purchase them. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.